So today you will be creating a slideshow, a Google slide on the month of March. I am not here today, so I know you've all done this before. I want to remind you that you did one about Halloween history, and here it is. And this one is similar to that one. So let's go back to this. It says one image on every slide. You should only use 2 fonts throughout the presentation. Don't use a million fonts. And choose a background color for your slides. You can choose any background color you'd like. Your first slide is going to be the title slide, and it'll say the month of March. And I'll ask you to type your first and last name. Then slide 2 is about daylight savings time. Slide 3 is also about daylight savings time, but a different question. But I do want you to notice that you have to include a website at the bottom of the slide or on the slide for every single slide. So I want to know where you got your information. On slide 4, it's one more about daylight savings time. Slide 5 is about March Madness. Slide 6 is about the Ides of March. What day is the Ides of March? What Shakespeare play features the Ides of March? And once again, you have to put the website at the bottom of the slide. Slide 7 is about St. Patrick's Day. And slide 8 is about shamrocks and St. Patrick's Day. And 9 is about the St. Patrick's Day parade in New York, asking when it started and how old it is. Slide 10 talks about McDonald's and what they sell in honor of St. Patrick's Day. And slide 11 is a slide for you to tell me something, a fun fact about March that wasn't already in the presentation. Or if it was about like March Madness, it has to be something more than what was already in the presentation. Or if you know something else about McDonald's or daylight savings time, you can add it there, but it needs to be something that hasn't already been included. On every slide, you need to include the website where you got the information at the bottom of the slide or along the side, just like in the Halloween history one. You answered the questions and said where you got the information from. So you should be able to finish this assignment today and turn it in. It is posted in Google Classroom.